My name is Sogand Shahmohammadi and I'm a first-year PhD student working on life cycle assessment in LIRIDE lab at the University of Sherbrooke. Nowadays, as we know, climate change is the most critical issue in the world, and the building sector is known for being one of the main sources of carbon emissions, which is needed to put more effort into and take an action. That's why I've decided to work on this gap and try to answer this question: what will be the most efficient solution to tackle carbon emissions in the building sector? And in this context, until now, whatever has been done is mostly about taking the advantage of technical strategies like using low carbon materials and recycled materials to minimize the carbon emissions from the buildings. And on the other hand, there's just few studies mentioning the efficiency of non-technical strategies like using sharing economy or increasing the density of cities. And that's why I've decided to work on this gap and try to answer this question: what will be the most efficient solution to tackle carbon emissions in the building sector? And for doing this, we do the related assessment by using life cycle assessment, which has been widely used in this context to estimate carbon emissions and in general the environmental impacts of buildings, components, and materials. And finally, as a PhD student who cares about the environment, I think it's so important to work in this field and try to develop a robust methodology to help our society to fight the climate change issue.